you all understand. I mean, I'm not a very good speaker, but I'll try to. So, firstly, I would want to explain you all like why you think. I mean, when people are eating, overeating, why this is happening, why you think you're overeating, and why you are storing body fat. So, I want to explain some of the hidden factors which is always there working, and we are not aware, but still we are overeating. So, I'm going to explain those factors first. So the hidden influences over here. Our eating habits are shaped by factors we barely notice, like the size of our plates, the people we eat with, and our environment. So for an example, let's say you're taking one roti and one like bowl of dal, and you take a plate, a big size plate, okay? And at the same time, the same food, you keep it in a plate a little smaller in size, maybe half of it. So when you will look at it, right now I don't have it to show you example right now live, but when you compare both the plate size and the food, you will see the food which has a bigger plate, okay, you will find that the food is pretty less in that plate because the size of the plate is big. Now that the same quantity of food, if you transfer it to a smaller plate, you will find that the plate is almost full. So by looking at the food itself, you will feel like our brain works, the psychology works behind this is that when we see food which is like too much on the plate, we tend to feel like, okay, this is a lot. Yeah, we won't be able to eat more. But at the same time, if you're having a big size of plate, you will feel like, let's put in something, ये तो कम हो गया, this is less, इससे मेरा पेट नहीं भरेगा. This kind of mindset, psychology works. So this is number one. So what you can do is just whenever you go back home, just try to change the size of your plate. If you want to lose weight and if you want to become fit, rather than putting a lot of, we think we have to go to the gym, we need a fitness attire, okay, we need protein shakes, we need, a nutritionist who will work behind us with, perfect diet charts and all. No, you don't need that. Just 10 minutes at home, doing some normal changes, which I'll come to more. And that would be enough for you. If you give it 1 to 2 months time to yourself with these minute changes I'll be talking right now today, I can guarantee you can easily do yourself 5 kg of weight loss. And any question, do let me know. So next is the seafood trap. We tend to eat more when food is directly in our line of sight or easily accessible. So you will see. Yeah, so many people they eat at night, suddenly urge hota hai, and you will open your fridge and you will see lot of all kind of cakes, pastries, whatever. I mean हम लोग बच्चों का नाम लगा देते हैं, बच्चे के लिए रखना पड़ता है, इसके लिए गेस्ट आते हैं. But I mean seriously, आप लोग खुद कितना खाते हो? तो अगर if these kind of food is in front of you, you will be indulging in those kind of food. सामने दिखेगा तो obviously आपका मन करेगा खाने का. It will मेरे को भी मन करेगा. If I see cakes and pastries, मेरा भी मन करेगा. So the idea is, if you want to lose weight, मन कर रहा है, बाहर जाके खाओ. Earn that piece of cake. बाहर जाओ, go out and buy that cake, have it. Don't keep it in your fridge. Don't store it on your fridge कि रख दिया, offer चल रहा है सस्ता में या कुछ भी discount मिल गया, store कर दो, right? So this is number 2. Second is, if others around us are eating more, we are likely to do the same without thinking. So Alpha Club event is the right example. Over here, people all are eating. So we are talking, हम लोग खा रहे हैं, right? So maybe you are not hungry still because you are not focusing on the food, but you are just talking and just having, और variety बहुत है. Variety is a big problem. When we see lot of variety, ये भी खाना है, ये भी खाना है, सारा taste करना है, and then we eat a lot. So again, when we go to marriage functions, events, हमें थोड़ा सा mindful रहना है कि हम जो खा रहे हैं, are we really hungry or just हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, free में खाना मिल रहा है तो हम लोग खा लेते हैं.
I think it has a lot of evolutionary psychology because पहले खाना नहीं मिलता था.
Right.
Now, and then people are starving to get food, and our brain is conditioned in a way that we want more food. When you have all the variety, we're like subtract.
Exactly.
It comes from there.
हाँ, right. तो शादी ब्याह फंक्शन इज़ द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल एंड ऐसे इवेंट्स हो गया जहाँ हम लोग के पास में वैरायटी ऑफ फूड. जनरली ऐसे वैरायटी घर पे तो नहीं मिलता है. आपको कुछ कहना है? ओके. ऐसे घर पे हम लोग कहाँ वैरायटी लेके बैठते हैं, ये खाना है वो खाना है. कुछ फंक्शन हो गया अलग बात है. वी डोंट जनरली हैव दीज काइंड ऑफ ऑप्शंस एट होम, राइट? Okay, next is the power of labels. How food is described affects our perception of its taste and how much we consume. So many times what happens, like I don't know how many of you do really check the labels. जो भी आप खाना खरीदते हो कभी घुमा के देखना, जब आप देखोगे आपको पता चलेगा उसमें कितने सारे एडेड शुगर, सॉल्ट, बहुत सारा चीज़ें ऐड रहता है जस्ट टू मेक इट टेस्टी फॉर अस. सो लेबल्स चेक करना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि उसमें कितना क्वांटिटी में क्या आपको मिल रहा है. जस्ट डोंट बाय इट जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ किसी ने बोला या आपने कहीं पे ऐड देखा एंड यू आर बाइंग इट. ओके, सो यू शुड बी चेकिंग द लेबल्स. Next is portion distortion. Larger portions makes us eat more even when we don't realize it. So again, sadhana may be relating. So that is like when we eat a big, हमें अगर बड़ा portion, if we start eating take a big portion of cake or anything, so we end up eating it more, and obviously what happens, our body takes time for, like हम जब खाना बहुत जल्दी खा लेते हैं, your body takes time for it to signal it back to the brain that we are full now, we don't need to eat more. But then because we have the whole size, we are seeing it in front of our eyes, we will be eating क्योंकि देख लिया है तो खाना है. अगर आपने वही थोड़ा सा लिया तो if you are having a chocolate cake, there's no food is bad in this world, no food is bad, but the problem is when we overeat that food. ठीक है, तो वट एवर क्वान्टिटी यू आर इंडल्जिंग, एंड आपको मालूम भी है आज के डेट में इंटरनेट की वजह से वी ऑल नो कौन सा खाना अच्छा है कौन सा बुरा है. खाना अच्छा बुरा हो जाता है व्हेन वी आर नॉट एक्सपेंडिंग द कैलोरी वी आर हैविंग, जब वो स्टोर हो जाता है, राइट. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ हैविंग अ बिग फुल ऑफ केक, हैव इट हाफ. चॉकलेट, हैव इट हाफ. आई होप मैं बोर्ड नहीं कर रही हूँ. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज आई एम ट्राइंग एक्चुअली. थिंक बिफोर यू ईट. Mindful eating versus mindless eating, that I already gave an example. Like when you are eating, try just to focus on the food rather than being on the phone. फ़ोन में बात करते करते हम लोग खाना खाते हैं, कुछ भी, हाँ, टीवी देखते देखते, गाड़ी चलाते चलाते हड़बड़ी में खाना खाते हैं. I mean ये सब आदतें बहुत ख़राब है. तो खाना जब खा रहे हो आप just focus on the food, not on driving, not on the phone, and not. So next is this is the solution. आप देख सकते हो स्मॉलर प्लेट एंड यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इज द सेम क्वांटिटी, बट ये प्लेट ज़्यादा फुल लग रहा है, राइट. सो ये कॉन्सेप्ट है. तो ये प्लेट कप्स, ये सब साइज क्या आपको दोबारा लेना पड़ेगा. you'll get up again if you're hungry, you'll go up and you'll take it again, but don't sit with a big plate, filled it up, सब भर दिया. नेक्स्ट अगेन सेम थिंग. जितना ये सब चीज़ों को अपने आंखों से दूर रखेंगे उतना बेहतर है. बेस्ट है. इफ़ यू फील लाइक हैविंग, जस्ट गो आउट, गो एंड हैव. सो कोई खाना बुरा नहीं है. I never restrict anybody to not have, because the more you will restrict, the higher chances that your brain will tell कि go and have, क्योंकि मना किया है तो ज़रूर करना है. ठीक है. माइंडफुल ईटिंग अगेन. खाना पे ध्यान दो. बीट एनी फूड, जस्ट फोकस एंड एन्जॉय द फूड. अगेन एनवायरमेंटल थिंग, सेम थिंग. डोंट वॉच द टीवी, जो रात को हम लोग इंडल्ज करते हैं अधिकतर टाइम. सो ट्राई नॉट टू डू दैट. कर रहे हो तो
like for example, I like this environmental conditioning. रात को craving भी आता है, काम करते can't avoid that.
Right.
But if you could have an alternative, रात को खा रहे हैं but it is like less taxing.
Let's have whatever you want to. Let's say अभी planned नहीं है. Let's say you have not planned and you have cakes or whatever. But after having that, why not do a 10 minutes walk while working? At least तुरंत के तुरंत तो it is not getting stored.
Okay.
If I right now ask people who are not habituated at all कि have salads and have something healthy, नहीं होगा. वो healthy नहीं खाएंगे. वो वही बादाम वगैरह जो भी घर पे होगा, भुजिया, you all will have these things only. But what if I'm telling you have it? बट उसके बाद 10 minutes of walk. हाँ, प्लीज आस्क. यू वांट टू से समथिंग? ओके, आई थॉट यू वांट टू आस्क समथिंग. ओके. सो उसके बाद 10 minutes वॉक, 10 minutes समथिंग, कुछ एक्टिविटी. अपने आप को इतना ही बोलो कि ओके, आई गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू हैव दिस थिंग, नाउ लेट मी जस्ट डू समथिंग, सम एक्टिविटी, सो दैट दिस कैलोरी डजंट गेट स्टोर्ड इन आवर बॉडी. इफ दिस मच ऑल्सो यू स्टार्ट डूइंग, you will start seeing change in your belly fat. क्योंकि रात को whatever food you are having, और खाते ही आप या तो बैठ जाते हो और आप या तो लेट जाते हो. हाँ,
On this, I have something to say. Like, if you are working late in night and you are eating and then you are working out, however slightly, your sleep is ought to get disturbed after that.
Sorry, after sleeping?
नहीं, अभी केक खा लिया, अभी 10 मिनट यदि फास्ट वॉक करोगे ना, तो नींद डिस्टर्ब होनी है.
Okay.
रात को सपोज 12 बजे केक खाया, उसके बाद 10-15 मिनट फास्ट वॉक किया, तो रात को वॉक कभी भी फास्ट नहीं करना है, बिकॉज दैट लीड्स टू एड्रेनलिन सिक्रेशन and will cause wakefulness.
Yeah.
तो बेस्ट इज नॉट टू ईट दिस टाइप ऑफ फूड एट नाइट. और we are
But the point is that only these people will eat. खाएंगे तो क्या करना है. तो और ये लोग रात को जागने वाले लोग हैं, क्योंकि ये लोग मार्केटर्स हैं. मैं इसलिए आपको बता रही हूँ. ओह, मैं कहाँ पे, अच्छा मैं ये
she is right there.
So why I'm saying this also, because in last few months I worked with only marketers and what I saw was either they are sleeping late night, सुबह 11 बजे 12 बजे उठते हैं, या तो कुछ है जो सुबह जल्दी उठ जाते हैं. Most of the people are sleeping late and no matter how much I have went to like hell lot of extent, nothing changed. So they will eat. So in that case that's the solution. I'm saying खाओ, और उन्होंने जो बोला तो दैट इज नथिंग लाइक दैट, बट देन द वहाँ तक लाने के लिए
इफ पॉसिबल नारियल खा सकते हैं रात को, सूखा भी और गीला भी. नथिंग लाइक इट.
से दिस मीन स्लीप प्लेज अ वेरी वाइटल रोल. जब आप सही से रात को नहीं सोते हो, अगला दिन यू विल क्रेव. पर मेरा सॉल्यूशन आज ये है कि जो लोग खाते हैं उनको कैसे दुबला करना है. उनका हैबिट लाइक जितने लोगों के, मैं नाम नहीं ले रही किसी का, जिनके साथ भी मैंने काम किया, पीपल आर हियर इन द रूम, तो व्हेन आई सेड देम कि डोंट ईट दिस, डोंट डू दैट, इट डिड नॉट वर्क. बट टू गेट टू देम दैट माइंड सेट, इट टुक मी अ मंथ. एवरी डे थोड़ा, अच्छा थोड़ा सा ये, अच्छा 1 मिनट का भी किया ना, तो उसमें भी मैंने बहुत अपलोड किया, बहुत अच्छा. आफ्टर दैट वो 1 month जब हुआ ना, देन आई केम टू अ पोजिशन वेर आई कुड से, आई बार्गेंड कि ठीक है देखो इतना दिन इतना यू डिड, इतना चेंज हुआ, अब थोड़ा चेंज. और सो दिस माइंड सेट चेंज, इट टुक मी अ मंथ. सो वॉट आई रियलाइज दैट नो मैटर हाउ मच ज्ञान यू गिव देम, नथिंग इज गोइंग टू वर्क.
Everybody has gyan, it's the will.
Exactly, yeah.
How do you implement it with your clients?
So what, which one?
Like, how do you make sure, let's say somebody eats late at night, that's like midnight, they're in भूख लग रहा है.
तो मैंने I am trying to make a rapport with the most of the people that at least if you're having, tell me. मेरे को बताओ, don't lie me, so that what happens that if they are telling me yes I had this last night, either I'm trying to make a change that week itself, or I'm telling them okay because you've had it last night, today you will run 10 minutes extra or one set of workout extra. So that way सामने वाला या that person is thinking okay fine, I'm able to eat my favorite food, but at the same time what she's asking just 10 minutes of running.
Yeah.
So that way the person is not lying to me. Most of the trainers, they have said that in adverse situation what happens, they are lying. Yes, I am following everything you're doing.
Okay.
It's despite they are paying, they are lying. Okay, because that is a mindset. They are thinking कि अरे अभी के लिए तो छुटकारा मिल जाएगा, कुछ सुनना तो नहीं पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
हाँ जी, please. Give her the mic.
I've been a marathoner, trekker, I've been really fit.
Hmm.
थोड़ा off track हूँ तो भी जज मत करना, पर
नहीं कर रही.
हाँ हाँ तो obviously when you've seen your fittest best and lived for almost a decade in that zone, when you're off track ना, it hits you all the time, but you are in this vicious circle, कल करूँगी परसों करूँगी. So what I've recently 1 महीने से decided to answer even Jayan's question is कि जब craving होती है, actually to be honest मुझे भूख नहीं लगती है, तो I'm saved of that. वो खाना है, lunch dinner वो एक scheduled है, कुछ बना रहे हो तो खाते हैं. What I've decided is कि जब भी मुझे खाना है या कभी ऐसा हुआ कि भूख लग रही है या आप जा रहे हो उस भुजिए की तरफ या आप हो, तो आप अपने आप को डाइवर्ट करके एक गिलास पानी पी लेते हो. तो डज दैट हेल्प? बिकॉज मैंने नोटिस किया कि जब मैं पानी पीती हूँ उसके मेरी भूख वैसे ही मर जाती है.
No, it's not helping. No, it's not helping. It's helping for that moment. वो रह रहा है ब्रेन में, वो रह रहा है कि भाई मुझे भुजिया खाना है, पर इसने मेरे को अभी पानी पिला दिया.
नहीं, वो मैं चला जाता है मेरे.
नहीं, बट इट इज नॉट दैट इट इज अगला दिन आ रहा है क्या? इज इट कमिंग बैक नेक्स्ट डे?
No, no.
So again, when that cycle, when again you get that craving of having that bhujia?
No, I'm not. मुझे is an illustration.
No, anything. मतलब
नहीं, मुझे खाने को लेके ऐसी कभी craving नहीं होती. What I'm saying is when I'm feeling hungry, I think I'm feeling hungry. I just go and have a glass of water, and when I do that, I stop feeling hungry. So जो मेरा schedule.
Okay, I'll tell you. So first thing is this, that your body is lacking nutrients. If you are saying I'm not eating, it is not a good thing. You are lacking nutrients, हाँ? मतलब
भूख ही नहीं लगती है.
हाँ, इसलिए नहीं लग रही क्योंकि आपकी बॉडी स्टोर मोड में चली गई है.
सिर्फ ब्रेकफास्ट के टाइम पे थोड़ी भूख लगती है, बाकी
हाँ,
लगती
तो
नहीं है.
स्टोर मोड मतलब क्या? क्या आपका बॉडी को ऐसा लग रहा है कि भाई ये मुझे खाना तो दे नहीं रही, तो जितना दे रही है उतना ही मैं स्टोर कर लूँ. आप समझो इस बात को. 100 साल पहले हमारा जो लाइफस्टाइल था, मतलब हमें हंट करना पड़ता, मैंने 100 साल के 1000 साल पहले का बात होगा. तो व्हाट यूज टू हैपन कि हमें लोगों को, मतलब वही केव मैन, उन लोगों को हंट वंट करके खाना, उन लोगों को देश टू लाइक दैट हाउ इट इज टू बी. और नहीं तो स्ट्रेस फॉर देम इज टू बी लाइक कि शेर आ गया, उसके टाइम पे शेर आ गया, स्ट्रेस. या अगर कभी कोई भूखमरी हो गया, खाना नहीं है, भूखमरी हो गया, तो बॉडी क्या करता था, जो बॉडी में जो फैट है भाई उसी को यूज़ करना है क्योंकि भूखमरी है. आज के डेट में स्ट्रेस का मतलब है, सॉरी स्टारवेशन. अच्छा,
Not starvation, it's
it's like
famine.
right? So you for right now your body is understanding कि okay, there is maybe some kind of famine, for that reason you are not giving food. Or when you are getting stress also, still now your body is thinking okay, there is a tiger here and we have to run. So what your body is doing, it is giving all the energy supply to your limbs and your hands, okay, and it is stopping everything else, your digestive system, everything is getting stopped. So now what is happening, under that stress your body is already in stress, वो store कर रहा है. and जब आपको when it is getting that famine feeling, it's happening the same little bit of food you are eating ना, that breakfast as you are saying, that breakfast is also getting stored. पर आपका एनर्जी लेवल कितना रहता है सारा दिन में? मत ये सही का जो मात्रा है, आई मीन इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू.
Workout point of view, but generally I'm not. I'm energetic.
So I mean, if when you do something extra, then you will understand. Like let's say if I ask you to do some running or maybe something.
So my question, in particular, was ki whenever you are craving and if you drink water, does that?
It's good
help
in one way.
suppressing?
It's good one way that you are not overeating. But I would suggest you to get a blood test done so that to check.
So I would like to add a point here.
Ah.
So usually we beat ourselves so much.
Give her the mic now.
मेरा workout हो रहा है.
So I would say just be mindful, like what you are doing and how your body is feeling. So if your body is feeling want to eat something, you just understand, is it because of hunger or is it because of stress or is it because of boredom? These are the three things why we eat usually. So if it is hungry, give that food to your body. You don't have to drink water if it is really hungry. If it is not hungry or if you feel like still eating, understand, is it because of boredom or is it because of stress? Just be mindful, and it is okay. Even if you eat, it is okay. Even if you drink water, it is okay. So you just do not have to put much stress on yourself and say yourself it is okay. So everything will be okay. Yeah, all is well.
What do you do, Simran, for your clients when they are stressed?
So when they are stress eating, I let them eat. I say ki have it, no problem. Just make sure you're telling me. And next day I make sure I make them work out. I make them run. They can say, जो लोग भी यहाँ पे है, they all can say what I make them do. बताओ. Srinivas, please tell. Please say. I mean that would be. I mean जो लोग. And what जब आप extra खा ले तो what I make you will do.
Yeah, run extra and then do some extra workout or something.
Exactly. I never ask them कि don't have, because if I put restriction, the high chances is that anything you restrict, आप किसी को भी in any business also anything, आप बोलो ये नहीं करना है, वो इंसान वही जाके ज़्यादा करेगा. And when it, oh sorry, when it's, yeah. Can you pass that mic there?
It's like you just do a little bit more workout.
Yeah, just burn the calories. And Hi.
My problem is a bit different.
Mhm.
I'm a raw vegan. I do intermittent fasting. I don't eat after sunset.
Okay.
And I eat only raw. I don't eat cooked food at all.
Mhm.
But when I eat normal food,
Mhm.
my body reacts very violently. Like
Yeah.
bloating and the thing.
Huh.
Earlier I was eating same food.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Body was
Yeah,
fine.
yeah, yeah.
But now what to do? Is it like my body has developed?
Yeah.
What
So your
is
body
it?
is not in the habit of like it is now gone out of habit to utilize these kind of
Yeah.
food.
So
Yeah.
I like, and when I eat raw food, I'm very energetic.
Hmm,
You know, I
hmm.
go on mindful
Hmm,
climbs
hmm.
for hours and I don't feel
Hmm, hmm,
tired.
hmm.
But I mean, this is like a practical thing that
Right.
you know
You cannot avoid.
When I have to, I'm not able to eat. So I would rather have raw fruits than
Mhm.
any cooked food.
Yeah.
Any remedy for
So
that?
remedy for this is once a week at least give yourself this kind of food when you
No,
are.
but that once a week may those things go over a toss.
It's
I'm not able, like last
If
night
you
I
were not-
I was not able to sleep.
हाँ जी, तो आपको थोड़ा you have to have little bit. That's what I'm saying, because if you follow any routine, for me also it works a bit because I don't eat so much of rich and oily food. So when I have, my gut doesn't really it's not something, it reacts. But the idea is to have little bit. I know you are eating completely raw, but the idea is to have little
Actually,
bit.
I lost 18 kgs, but then there was a death in the family.
हम्म।
वो पूरा ये normal खाना हो गया तो 4-5 kgs I
हाँ जी.
back.
So the idea is that whenever you follow any routine, the idea is to maintain that weight loss, and that maintenance will only happen when whatever your daily habits are, whatever food is being prepared at your home, you have to make it in the sense it is sustainable. Like many people, they think let's follow a diet chart. See, diet chart is the biggest scam. I'm telling you. You go to ChatGPT, write those are calories ka diet chart. ChatGPT will make it up for you and give it to you, right? But trust me, diet chart is not sustainable. Not at all something you all can follow. At least when you're traveling or doing something. So the idea is whatever you are eating, let your body be habituated with some normal food, like little bit. Dal makhani you can have once or twice a week, thoda sa, have little bit, but keep it in your food. And I mean, don't go completely like full on.
Actually, my body loves raw food. I have
But you're
so
not.
energetic.
But then this traveling and all is a part of your routine, right? A part of your life. You cannot just.
fruits, so maybe I will.
Yeah. So the idea is to.
हाँ, बुफे में नहीं खाना।
nahi. The idea is to. That is also again not
But
for.
the thing is, what I'm surprised is that earlier I was eating all my
Hmm,
life. I was eating
hmm.
this food, but now अभी थोड़ा सा भी खाता हूँ तो my body goes.
Your body has got habituated now with that raw food. Yes, that's why. But the idea is to have little. Have little bit. That's why I tell everyone, there's nothing like you have to have completely bland food which you don't like to become fit. You can have anything you want, anything like golgappe, pizza, burger, anything. But then that cannot be a daily food habit, right? You have to keep those foods in that diet, but at the same time work out. And I'm not saying work out, go to the gym, no. Just do normal body weight training. It's going to work, but then that has to be 3 to 4 times. 10 minutes of running. This is what I'm telling you right now. Exactly, this is what I make my clients do. I'm telling you what the paid program that I make my client do. I'm telling you the things. But the problem is where there is no accountability. You alone, you cannot do it. You don't do it. You give it up. कि ठीक है करेंगे बाद में करेंगे. I'll do it. That's the difference.
15 से-
Yeah, there's no other magic I do with my clients.
Yeah.
The same thing what I'm telling you, but then this when you have to do with consistency, we don't do, we give up. And like let's say for example, when we go to a movie hall and we get that popcorn, that big thing, big tub. Yeah, so we go for the big tub because of the offer. So you have to stop yourself getting influenced by such offers. 50% off. Arey, what 50% off? You have to see how much it is impacting your health.
Offers के नाम पे मार्केट में सबसे ज़्यादा
Exactly. Swiggy में offer, Zomato में offer. They are making business, guys.
Yeah.
हाँ जी.
So I have a question. आप जैसे कह रहे थे that running will work after you have a meal. What the people do is that कि morning में walk कर लेते हैं और फिर सारा दिन walk नहीं करते. तब भी I think there is a problem. Or do it after every meal is more effective than doing one time in in one day.
Okay.
What is your suggestion on
Yeah.
that?
So number one thing is on a daily basis, one should start doing something early morning. Early morning exercise workout is the best if one can do. But now this 10 minutes walking thing, I am suggesting those people who cannot have a control in their cravings. They are eating up. Somehow they are not able to manage, no matter what. No matter how much of, say, they are not able to manage. For those people, I am saying, okay, don't manage your diet, but at least do 10 minutes of walking after you eat.
How much walking you recommend in the entire day, and which is more effective, whether to walk in the morning or you do intermittent walking after breakfast, lunch and dinner?
Yeah,
What is
if
the
somebody is overeating, then I would suggest, you can start with 8,000 steps and go till 12,000 to 13,000 steps. If you are eating, this I'm saying, yeah.
12,000 steps is like 5 kilometers.
Yeah, approximately. So there is a thing known as NEAT, non-exercising activity thermogenesis. Okay, that has to do nothing with workout. Okay, nothing with exercise. Apart from exercise, 24 hours. In 24 hours, let's say 1 hour you worked out. The rest 23 hours, let's say 8 hours you slept. Whatever the time is left, how much you are doing other activity, let's say how much I'm standing, how much I'm moving my hands, whatever I'm doing, which is not a exercise routine, that matters. So many times people, they do go to the gym, they do heavy weightlifting, and once they are home, they just lay down.
Or this happens with me. I used to spend everything out on the gym and then I'll
Yeah. So in that case, what happens right now, you're pretty young, so it's not going to be much of a factor. But then with time, these kind of people, it's seen that when your NEAT level falls down, you start developing belly fat and all. But then again, because you're doing right now at the moment weight training and all, maybe that is not, and also possibly you must be having steps and all. So if somebody is like, let's say I cannot do so much of walking and running, so I say okay bhai, forget everything, just do 10 minutes of running. Then that 10 minutes of running will be equivalent to 8,000 to 10,000 steps in the entire day. So the more easy I make the plan, the chances are higher for you all to follow. So all these refills thing, we get to refill of cold drink. So you have to resist yourself falling into all these traps. Then next is this, start your day on a healthy note, digestive biscuits, then cornflakes, Kellogg's, all these things we get to see, breakfast and all, Again, biggest scam, all marketing gimmicks. There's nothing as healthy, okay? Aloo paranta kha lo iske jagah. Have aloo paranta instead of this kind of biscuits. They are doing no good to you. These are all again marketing gimmicks. Cornflakes, add cereals and all. No. If you want to add cereals, just have normal milk, add some seeds, like pumpkin seeds, all those kind of seeds you get, add some walnuts, almonds and have it. These things are like...
What's the difference though? Why aloo paratha instead of this?
So aloo paranta, you would still know that it is homemade, what things you have added. You have added flour, ghee also you will know how much you have ghee. Let it be a little bit more ghee, no problem. But in these things, you don't know what ingredients they have added. And companies, whoever makes such food, okay, chips, biscuits, whatever, they would want their consumers to eat more and more.
Yeah.
So for that, they add some things, extra preservatives, which will, you just eat one piece of chips and you see, man nahi bharega. You will not, you feel like let's have one more. Huh? And
another difference is ये मीठे होते हैं, आलू पराठा मीठा नहीं होता.
So with one paratha itself will be.
yeah, exactly. So it's our mindset,
These chemicals delay the signal which goes to the
brain, exactly.
Stomach is
Yes. Your stomach is filled, that signal goes to the brain, it delays it.
With
Exactly.
things it's like this. दो चीज़ें हैं, वाइट फ्लोर एंड वाइट शुगर, मैदा और मीठा. ये इसलिए हम बहुत ज़्यादा खाते हैं क्योंकि जब हम ये खाते हैं ना तो इंसुलिन का सर्ज होता है ऐसे.
When we eat this, the
Insulin spikes, and that spike of insulin immediately causes a severe drop in sugar. We again eat because the sugar has dropped. Again the insulin will spike,
sugar is dropped, then you
and
just
this
maybe
goes on.
eat again.
So this is the very big factor. बार यदि हम दिन में कई बार खाते हैं, मान लो 10 चॉकलेट कोई खाता है 10 बार में, तो उससे अच्छा है कि भाई तू एक बार में 10 चॉकलेट खा ले. It's much better.
I get. So you eat, instead of spreading that chocolate into, you just eat
And one एक चीज
हाँ,
और
बोलिए, बोलिए, अरे एकदम।
जयंत for you maybe 2-3 दिन पहले मेरी वाइफ से बात हो रही थी. She told me a very interesting thing. When you have built muscles, the difference between fat and muscle is that muscle continuously wants energy. Fat doesn't want anything. So if you are a muscular person, even when you have eaten extra, your muscles will extract that energy out from that food without even exercising.
Yeah, maintenance.
No, muscles need energy all the time, but fat doesn't need energy. तो एक बार यदि आपने मसल्स बना लिए हैं, जैसे सिमरन कह रही वेट ट्रेनिंग करके सब चीजें करके, तो फिर उसके बाद आप थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा भी खाते हो ना, तो बॉडी को उतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Like this was like मैं बोला यार.
That's why I keep saying यार मेरा तो कुछ नहीं होता. People say.
एक्चुअल में देखा गया है.
Young age. That's what मैंने बोला ना, it's a very big thing.
Yeah. So the thing is this, that when you work out, no, your body tackles the food in a very different manner. There's a different pathway altogether. The way it tackles whatever food you're eating. And when somebody is not exercising at all, no matter how healthy that person is eating, it is not going to work. That's why exercise is so important. No matter 10 minutes. I swear guys, 10 minutes. Maybe kisi din I don't go to the gym every day. I can't manage because I'm trying to. Yeah, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I challenge एकदम. 10 मिनट आप करो. कल हम लोग करेंगे हाँ workout. Tomorrow we are working out. हाँ. Please show up. कल कहानी मत कर देना आप लोग.
आपके क्लाइंट्स आने वाले हैं पक्का.
हाँ. Yeah, so all these things, NutriChoice, digestives, baked. हाँ, हम लोग को कितना बार लगता है विराट कोहली, they do this branding. You think they have them? Baked and then what not? Fat free. अरे फैट वाला घी चम्मच लेके खा लो. I swear nothing is going to do harm. Fat free, you will get fat free chips, fat free this, fat free that. You get nowadays people they use these things na, baked, fat free. So zero trans fat, exactly. So these things you have to save yourself. Real mango, ये जो real का juice, हाँ, it's only चीनी भर भर के चीनी, it's all given. Have real fruit. If you want to really take the importance and advantage of fruit, have a full fruit with all the fibers. It's going to do really good. Rather than
have extracted the fiber.
Exactly. So jitna process you will have. So check the level as I already told you. Portion control. Chota chota karke khao. Have fruits and all. Mindful eating. That's it. So the idea is that guys, whatever I told you is like start checking your portion. Don't go harsh on yourself that I have to be very perfect. This perfect mindset is a biggest problem in fitness people. Many people over here, they think you need to have everything perfect. No. Start with 5, 10 minutes. I guarantee you there will be result. Okay.
So it's like, okay, tell me something. Because
Hello Varun.
Varun.
तू कल दौड़ेगा जरूर हाँ वरुण. हाँ और क्या.
I needed this debate to happen.
नहीं मेरा एक ही क्वेश्चन है.
हाँ.
आई थिंक आज हमारी बात हो रही थी अभी लंच पे भी, तो एक पर्सन और है उनको भी सेम इशू है. स्ट्रेस ईटिंग आई थिंक और लोग भी शायद करते हो. मेरे संग वो सबसे बड़ा इशू है. कर सकते
थोड़ा
हैं.
इंग्लिश में बोलो ना, मेरे को थोड़ा वीक है.
So
हाउ टू हैंडल स्ट्रेस ईटिंग.
Okay.
So when you are doing stress eating, number one thing is I told you the first step is whatever you're eating, enjoy that food. Don't eat and do something else.
Example.
For example, people they eat and they are watching reels or they are watching TV or they are playing video games. They are doing something else but they are eating.
He to drinks Coke. While
Exactly. So you are having beer today but you were talking with. So so the idea is have that beer but focus on that beer. When you're home, whatever you're doing, you have to focus on that food. You have to focus on the food. That is number one step. Then second step is you have to see ki what kind of food is all the time available at your home. You have to make it little difficult, Varun. Like घर पे खाना स्टोर रहेगा तो कोई no matter how much that person is disciplined will somehow indulge in it.
वो गाड़ी चला के जाता है और रबड़ी खाता है. He earns it
No, for him, I tell you to get him to that mindset, it will take a lot of time. I've given him many. मैंने कुछ फर्क नहीं
वरुण का
पड़ा.
क्या है, वो पहले स्टॉक रखता है, फिर खुद को स्ट्रेस करता है ताकि वो अपना
हाँ, exactly. हाँ, so for Varun, he needs a big time reality check.
सिमरन आज शाम को और कल सुबह वरुण को तुम दौड़ाओ पूरा. Become an inspiration for us.
There is one more thought process that travels
Wait,
in
wait.
my family. There's one more thought process, and this may be not for you guys individually, but for your loved ones also. So मेरी mother-in-law है, ठीक है? She is 73, and she has always been very plump. 26 साल तक तो मैंने उनको ऐसे कहा. Now she is like really heavy. मेरे कोई भी टेस्ट करा लो, मेरे तो सब टेस्ट सही आते हैं. और जो लोग ज़्यादा डिसिप्लिन वे में खा रहे हैं, बिल्कुल फिट दिख रहे हैं, मतलब BMI परफेक्ट है, वो हार्ट डिसीजेस से मर रहे हैं, कैंसर से मर रहे हैं. तो मेरी लाइफ तो सही है. मैं फिजिकली अपने सारे काम खुद कर रही हूँ, मैं किसी पे फिजिकली डिपेंडेंट नहीं हूँ, मैं अपने हिसाब से खा पी रही हूँ. सो माई फिजियोलॉजी has accepted the way I live, and medically I'm fit. So ऐसी thought process और ऐसे mindset को हम कैसे break करें? My kids have surrendered. वो अपनी दादी को educate करते करते, because they are fitness freaks, whatever that you call these days, mindful eating, वो ये सब कुछ करते हैं. ना उनकी माँ ठीक से कर पा रही है, पिताजी बिल्कुल नहीं करते, और दादी तो सुनती ही नहीं है. तो माइंडसेट चैलेंज अगर ऐसे लोगों का है, तो मतलब उसको कैसे टैकल किया जाए, उस पर कैसे डेंट किया जाए?
पहला बात है, फर्स्ट थिंग इज दिस, दैट यू कैन नॉट रियली डू वन थिंग ओवरनाइट फॉर योर मदर इन लॉज केस. You have to show the change first, doing you yourself.
I've done Everest Base Camp, I've done so.
See, I'll tell you something, don't mind, but while you're talking to me, your heartbeat is going up.
I'm off radar, अभी नहीं कह रही हूँ, पर जब मैं religiously demonstrate कर चुकी थी, और घर में जब मैं food preferences के बारे में बात करती थी, तो मतलब तू अपने लिए सलाद बना ले, भले घर में तो यही बनेगा. मैं
सबसे पहले आपको एक बात बताती हूँ. फर्स्ट थिंग, दैट चेंज योर माइंडसेट, दैट यू नीड टू मेक सलाद, यू नीड टू डू दिस, यू नीड टू रन अ मैराथन.
व्हाट आई थिंक, फूड प्रेफरेंसेस की बात करूँ मैं, कि हम 8 बजे खाना खा लें 10:30 बजे खाने के बजाय, या हम ये पोर्शन कंट्रोल कर लें, या जो भी चीजें हैं आप समझा रहे हो, तो उसमें ना देयर वाज अ immediate resistance. Like I'm talking about their well-being, and I'm demonstrating by showing my well-being, which you are saying, but nothing worked. उल्टा ये हुआ कि मैं उनकी तरह बन गई.
मैं इसीलिए आपको क्या बोली स्टार्टिंग में, that you forget about your mother-in-law first. You cannot change her mindset overnight. You first change your mindset by just giving 10 minutes. 10 minutes of something. Forget salad, forget diet, forget personalized timing, forget everything. Just forget all these things. Forget what you did before. What you did before gave you result. What you did before will not give you results today, because your body has changed, your habits has changed. Okay, you have to develop good habit. So start giving yourself 10 minutes. क्या आप अपने आप को 10 मिनट रोज दे सकते हो? नहीं, आपको प्रॉपरली 10 मिनट देना पड़ेगा. Doing something really that is going to affect you. ठीक है, मेरी बातों को गलत मत लेना. I'm little yeah.
मेरी शक्ल थोड़ी ऐसी है, बट मैं वैसे ठीक हूँ.
All I'm saying is that you
जैसे आपकी बात मैं सारी मानूंगी, फोटो भी भेजूंगी, मैं काम भी करूंगी. बस मुझे ये 2 दिन ना गोवा में थोड़ा पार्टी अलाउ करो.
हाँ, करो पार्टी.
मैं खाती नहीं हूँ, सिर्फ पीती हूँ. चल.
हाँ, वो तो आज फ्राइडे है ना, तो आई एम लाइक
One last question and then we'll do that.
Hi, Simran.
Hi.
Before COVID, I was in good shape, and when COVID, I had a lot of junk food, and drastically I increased my body weight by 20 kgs. And I've heard from my friends that intermittent fasting works, and I've tried giving that a shot. And in my home, it was a problem because you have to not eat for a longer time. And my dad used to, my dad used to cook the food, keep it in the refrigerator, and then I used to consume it later. So how healthy is refrigerated food, and how good is intermittent fasting? I want to know your suggestions on this.
So number one is intermittent fasting is really good. If you can follow, very good. Like it is also going to like enhance your natural growth hormones, which will help you to stay lean. Intermittent fasting is damn good. It will control your calories. Lot of advantages. But now the point is, for how long can you follow it? Initially when you are starting, I'm talking about the initial phase. Okay, that is number one thing. See yourself, like how long you can stay starve yourself. That is number one thing, like 16 hours, 12 hours, how long you can do. Second is in terms of cooking. So 2 to 3 days when it is kept in airtight container. See, I would obviously recommend to have fresh food every day. That is highly recommended. But let's say in your case it is not happening. So in that case, what can be done? 2 to 3 days, but in airtight container. Like you have to keep separate meals. Meal 1, meal 2, meal 3, which cannot be touched. Aisa nahi, you kept it in one box, you taking out, again you kept it. No. You take that meal out totally, warm it and have it. That total full box. Did you get it? Like you cannot keep it in one big box, take it out from that and then have it. No. In that way, if you try, you can have it like 1 or 2 days, I would say, but still fresh is recommended. And start with intermittent fasting, start with 4 hours, 5 hours. Start small, where you have to give your time to your body to adjust. See, we have to understand our body is much smarter than we are. Anything which will be very difficult for the body to follow, for a minimum time, let's say a week, 10 days, you will do with full motivation. Huh? The moment that motivation goes, your body will take a whole like control of it. It will push it so much, like there are certain, the way your body functions, the certain bacteria in our gut, which will push you, crave for those sweet cravings. You cannot control, no matter how good you disciplined over here. So the idea is, that's the reason I'm saying 10 minutes. If you see yourself doing 10 minutes for a month, then you go for half an hour. But starting, if you think of, oh no, I'll take a jump for half an hour, 1 hour, I'll go to the gym, you won't. Nobody can. The idea is to stay fit 365 days. Fitness is nothing but fitness is a lifestyle change where you don't need to go to a doctor for medicines, because every medicine that we have, every medicine has side effects. So, and for me, fitness is like, I'll start with how my journey started. So I got married very early and then I became a mother. And when after a year or so, somebody called me auntie, and I was just like 19, 20 years old then. And that was a Rakhi event, and one lady much elder to me called me auntie, and I felt so bad. I came back home that night, and I'm saying you exactly how I felt. Like I saw myself in the mirror and I was like, really, I became an auntie? And I felt so bad, like, what?
Why did you got married?
I got married at 18 plus.
And kid?
Why 19 plus?
So, okay, then it makes sense.
Yeah. So then I had to no, I cannot stay like this, because if really when I go in the auntie age, what will happen? Then I started researching what to do. So started with Google and everywhere, and I didn't really get any proper solution. And I also went to the gym wearing a salwar, aise mota. I was 92, and I was like,
92.
Yeah.
What are you saying?
That picture, Jayanji.
92. I would have never imagined 92.
Yeah.
I knew we lost a lot of weight.
Yeah, 92, and 92, wearing a salwar, and I'm running on the treadmill, and people were laughing at me. कहाँ दिखा सकते हो ये फोटो? हाँ, सिमफिट इंडिया आप इंस्टाग्राम में सर्च करोगे तो ये वाला ऑरेंज वाला मैं हूँ ये. So 92, and people were laughing at me when I was running on the treadmill. धप 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 ऐसे आवाज़ हो रहा था. And I felt bad, but still I did it. For 3-4 months I did, and I lost a good amount of weight. My skin was all saggy. From here, everything was pate, weight, सब ऐसे saggy. Then I realized, no, it is not going to work this way. Then I started learning, educated myself. Then I got to know there's no real person, who can help me. And me being a female was very odd for me to go to a male trainer and say, Dada, bhaiya, yahan pe dekho, So then I started transforming myself. I had tremendous fight with my husband. I was an interior designer before. My husband never supported me. He was like, are you mad? You will do all these things at this age? So you know Marwari family, how it works. But then I was like very adamant, no, I will change. I cannot stay like this. And I used to also ride bikes and all. So with that only I did. And then after a while, after a few years, then I started seeing changes in me. I started helping few friends and people I knew. And then when everybody started, seeing changes and they started appreciating it, then I took it professionally. And it's been now like 13-14 years now I'm practicing fitness. And I don't want to die on a bed, just having medicines. Nahi, aisa nahi chahiye. I don't want to die like that. I want to, it's my dream. I want to squat till 90 if I live. I want to squat and I want to ride my bike, my bullet, and
Yes.